Maintaining luscious locks can often feel like a daunting task, but with Tria hair care products, the process becomes an enjoyable routine. The first step to harnessing the power of Tria's offerings is to assess your hair's unique needs. Whether your hair is dry, oily, or experiencing hair loss, Tria provides tailored solutions that cater to each type. Begin your journey by selecting the right shampoo that balances your scalp and nourishes your hair effectively. Once you've chosen the perfect shampoo, the next step is to incorporate Tria's conditioner into your routine. A good conditioner is crucial for revitalizing your hair, providing that much-needed moisture and detangling benefits. Apply the conditioner generously, focusing on the mid-length to the ends. This practice helps in sealing in moisture and ensuring your strands remain smooth and manageable after every wash. Allow the conditioner to sit for a few minutes to deeply penetrate the hair cuticle before rinsing thoroughly with water. In addition to shampoo and conditioner, integrating Tria's serums or hair oils can enhance your hair care regimen. These products are formulated with potent ingredients that promote hair health and tackle specific concerns like split ends and frizz. A few drops of serum can work wonders. Simply apply it to damp hair to lock in hydration and add extra shine. Regular use of these treatments amplifies your overall hair vitality, making it resilient and full of life. For those struggling with hair loss, Tria's specialized treatment products can act as powerful allies. Their unique formulations are designed to stimulate hair growth and strengthen existing strands. Consistent application as per the instructions can significantly improve overall hair density. Remember, patience is key. It might take some time to see noticeable changes, so remain committed to your regimen and track your progress. Lastly, don't forget the importance of a healthy lifestyle in conjunction with Tria products. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, adequate hydration, and reducing stress can complement your hair care efforts. Combining Tria's scientifically crafted products with healthy habits ensures that your hair receives comprehensive care, leading to optimal results. With these tips at your disposal, you are well on your way to achieving vibrant and healthy hair with Tria.